POYA is recognized as a world-acclaimed brand of radio frequency device. You can use POYA R2 for both face care and body care. First of all, please attach appropriate electrodes for face or body to the handle and screw the electrode to the end on the handle. Please make sure to take all the metallic accessories off from your body and put good enough of RF cream on the relevant body area. Select face massage mode or body massage mode after setting the treatment time. You can control the intensity from level 1 to level 3. With POYA R2, you can massage face, back, abdomen, breast, hip, forearm, thigh, and calf. Furthermore, it helps blood circulation, skin rejuvenation, and skin elasticity. You can experience various effects. POYA R2 generates deep heating by RF system, which stimulates collagen layer. It consequently helps the blood circulation and skin rejuvenation. Also, it helps to relieve the stress and fatigue by loosening tight muscles and to resolve the body fats by accelerating the metabolism. With POYA R2, you can feel the change in your daily life.